Today I'm going to assemble the Stealth Furniture end table. When you get your unit and unbox it, it's going to have a tube of glue, a printed instruction manual. You'll have 5 wooden pieces. One is the main unit, and then you'll have 4 legs. You can see that they're labeled A, B, C, and D. And these stickers are going to correspond with where that leg is going to go. So we're going to start with A. You can see as I pick this leg up that there is a ridge here, and then there is also a corresponding ridge that we're going to slide this onto here on the main unit. We're going to take this tube of glue. I have a rag nearby to help me out as we put this on, and we're just going to take a little thin line on the inner seam of this, and then we'll also do the same thing on the inner seam of the bottom of the leg on both sides there. I'm not gluing this together because I'm going to take it apart and ship it later. So we'll take leg A, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to match this up, slide it down, and I really want this to catch on the sliding mechanism so that it will go in correctly. It's going to come within a very small margin of being in there. You can feel it solid, and I'm just going to tap it on the top, and you'll hear that click in, and it's a very strong connection. I'm going to turn this so we can get to level B, and we'll repeat the same process. Again, matching up the stickers. This time from this angle. Just going to match up the edge of it. You're going to feel it kind of lodge in there. Feel it come up against. A little tight tap. Turn it again. Going to C. Again, I'll take the leg, match up the one seam with this, kind of drop it until it slides in. You'll feel a little bit of contact, a little tap on the top. We'll rotate to D. Again, lining up the seam. I'm just going to line it up with the edge here, slide it down, and one final tap. Everything is solid. Your piece of furniture will come with any of 4 locking mechanisms. This particular one is an RFID. If you want to see the details of what each locking mechanism looks like, go ahead and refer to our locking mechanisms video. So when you're finished assembling it, you can close these down, and your piece of furniture is fully assembled. If you have any questions, consult the printed manual, and you can find those resources online. The last detail you'll want to do is I've just grabbed a cloth. I'm just going to go and wipe along in case there's any excess glue that I've picked up along all 4 seams of the furniture around all 4 legs. I'm going to rotate that there, and you are ready to go.